Now that you have learned how to use the register, let's focus on shift reports. First, you must log off the register. Then, you must log back on using your cashier number. Select Print Report, followed by Session Draw Audit. Make sure that the name and shift you just worked is highlighted on the screen. Select Enter and the report will print. Make sure that the information located on your shift report matches the amount of guest passes sold. If this does not match, attempt to figure out why, make a note of it, and email the facilities coordinator. Next, we need to go over daily audits. The closing shift should always print the POS daily audit in addition to their session draw audit. This is a very important part of handling the register, so always be sure to do it accurately. After you have printed your session draw audit, go back to the main screen and follow these instructions to print the next report. Select Print Report and select POS Daily Audit. Next, select Print, select Today, and enter. The daily audit should now print. The amount of sales from the day should be located on the receipt. Always verify that the amount that's in the drawer and the amount of guest passes sold matches the amount on the receipt. Now for the last part. The last thing you do to close out is the reconciliation. Here is an example of a completed reconciliation form. The highlighted areas are the areas that have been filled out based on the information from the POS Daily Audit. Always write with blue or black pen, and please be sure to write legible. The date and guest pass numbers that were sold go in the top right corner. Write the number of guest passes that were sold beside the corresponding line and the dollar amount to the right of it. Below this, please indicate how many guest passes were sold by each of the payment methods, cash, check, or Seahawk Bucks. There is also a space to record any memberships or miscellaneous items that may have been sold. Write the total amount of all sales in the space provided that is labeled Total 1. Write the total amount of cash from the drawer, including change, on the space provided. The total petty cash should always be $100. Indicate how much cash is to be deposited on the line provided. This does not include checks or Seahawk Bucks. The total 1 should be the total for Seahawk Bucks, checks, and cash. This should be the same as the total located on the bottom of the POS Daily Audit. Total 2 should only indicate checks and cash to be deposited. This total should correspond with the cash financial total, also located at the bottom of the audit. Always indicate any cash overage or cash shortage on the space provided. The sales report total and the refund report total can be located on the register tape. Verify that it matches the amount that you received when you counted the cash from the drawer. Again, write the total at the bottom of the form. Finally, be sure that you sign and date the bottom of the form. There should always be 2 signatures on the reconciliation form. Make sure that the person working with you double checks that you have finished the form accurately and that all the money is correct. If there is no other lobby desk attendant working with you, then have a building manager double check for you. After you have printed both of the reports and completed the reconciliation form, place all of the guest passes that were sold, receipts, checks, cash, and the reconciliation form inside of the lobby desk envelope. The envelope is located in the drawer below the register. Place the envelope in the safe that is in the lobby desk storage area.